Good morning, dear students. We will see the remaining next exercise. Take the page number 83. All of you take the pencil or pen. Page number 83. See the book. Let us build. Let us build. Hi friends. Let us some magic with words. Hi friends. Let us do some magic with words. When we combine these two words, we will get a new word with a different meaning. Hi friends, let us do some magic with words. When we combine these two words, we will get a new word with the different meanings. Okay? First one, sun. Second one, flower. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Sun plus flower, sunflower. These words are called compound word. These words are called compound word. One word to another word, it's new word, making a new word. Sunflower, make a new word, sunflower. It's called compound word. These words are called compound word. Lighthouse, lighthouse. Lighthouse, lighthouse. Mailbox, mailbox. Mailbox, mailbox. The next exercise, write compound words using the pictures. Write compound words using the picture. See, first picture, watch. First picture, watch. Second picture, man. First picture, watch. First picture, watch. Second picture, man. Second picture, man. The answer is watchman. The answer is watchman. The answer is watchman. Okay. Second one, see the picture. First one, cloud. First one, rain. Second one, bow. Second one, bow. First one, rain plus bow. The answer is rainbow. The answer is rainbow. See the book. Third one, first picture, star. First picture, star. Second picture, fish. Second picture, fish. The answer is starfish. Third one, first picture, star. First picture, star. Second picture, fish. The answer is starfish. Answer is starfish. Neat, right? Okay. See the book. First one, food. First one, food. Second one, ball. The answer is football. Answer is fourth one, first picture. Fourth one, first picture, food plus ball. The answer is football. Answer is football. Listen. First picture, watch plus man, watchman. WATCHMAN, watchman. Second one, rain plus bow, rainbow. RAIN, bow, BOW, rainbow. Third one, starfish. Answer is STARFISH, starfish. Fourth one, foot plus ball, football. FOOT, football. BALL, football. Okay students, turn the next page. Page number 84. Page number 84. Take the page number 84. The next exercise. The answer is newspaper. News plus paper, newspaper. Second one wheel. Second one wheel. Third one chair. The answer is wheelchair. Fourth one basket. Fourth one basket. Basket plus ball, basketball. Write it. First one already given. News plus paper, newspaper. Second one wheel plus chair. Wheel plus chair. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Third one basket. Basket plus ball. Basketball. Basket ball. Check the spelling. First one newspaper. 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 Second one wheelchair. Wheeel. Wheelchair. Chair. Wheelchair. Third one basketball. Basketball. Ball. Basketball. First one newspaper. Second one wheelchair. Third one basketball. The next exercise. Match the compound words. See the pictures. First one hand. Second one earring. Ear. Third one dragon. Fourth one jelly. Fish. Handbag. Fly. Ring. Fish. Handbag. Fly. Okay. Match the compound words. First one hand. Bag. First one hand. Bag. HAND hand. Bag. Bag. Second one ear. Ring. Earring. 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 Third one dragon. Dragon. Fly. Dragon. Fly. Fly. Dragon. Fly. Fourth one jellyfish. Fourth one jellyfish. Jellyfish. Fish. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. First compound word handbag. Handbag. Second one earring. Earring. Third one dragonfly. Dragonfly. Fly. Fourth one jellyfish. Jellyfish. See the picture. First one handbag. Second one earring. Third one dragonfly. Fourth one, jellyfish. Okay. Exercise option D. Draw and write your own compound word. Draw and write the own compound word. I draw first one, sun. S-U-N, sun. Second one, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. The answer is sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. I draw the new picture. First one sun, second one flower. Sun plus flower. The compound word sunflower. Compound word sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. The next exercise, connect the compound words and create new word. Connect the compound words and create new word. Okay. Sorry. C-O-N-N-E-C-T. Connect the compound word. C-O-M-P-O-U-N-D. Compound words. W-O-R-T-S. Words. And create. C-R-E-A-T-E. Create. Yeah. New word. Create. Yeah. New word. Connect the compound words and create a new word. First picture. C-U-P. Cup. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-O-A-R-D. Board. First one cup. Ball. Board. Connect the word cup, ball. No connection. Cup, board. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Second one, cow. C-O-W. Cow. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Connect the word cow, door. Cow, boy. Cow, boy. The answer is cowboy. C-O-W-P-O-Y. Cow, boy. Third picture. Moon, light, paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Connect the word. Connect the word moon, light. Moon, light. M-O-O-N-L-I-G-H-T. Moon, light. First one, cupboard. Second one, cowboy. Third one, moonlight. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. C-O-W. Cow. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Cowboy. Third one, moonlight. M-O-O-N. Moon. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Fourth picture. Rain. Chair. Rain. Chair. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. The answer is raincoat. Answer is raincoat. Connect the word raincoat. R-A-I-N. Raincoat. C-O-A-T. Raincoat. The book exercise has to finish. Turn the page number. Turn the previous page number 81. Just I recall glossary. First one, capsule. A small cylinder shaped bed. Second one, SOL, meridian solar day, a meridian day. Third one, capital human settlement, capital human settlement. Fuels, on energy source for engines, power planets or reactors. Fuels and energy source for engines, power planets or reactors. Survival, to remain alive, to remain alive. Adapting, modify, readjust, readjust. Terraform, a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. Scientist, an expert in science. Turn the next page. 82. Choose the correct option. Choose is given by astronomer, Earth, Sol, fuels, Mars. Astronomer, ASTRONOMER. Astronomer, Earth, EARTH. Earth. Sol, 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 fuels, FUELS, fuels. Mars, MARS, Mars. First one, a day in Mars is called Sol. A day in Mars is called Sol. Answer is Sol, SOL, Sol. Second one, Mars is called the red planet. MARS, Mars is called the red planet. Third one, our planet is called the Earth. Earth, Earth. Fourth one, we get water by burning. Fuels. Answer is fuels. Fuels. Fifth one, the astronomer are trying to terraform Mars. Astronomer. Astronomer. The astronomer are trying to terraform Mars. Shall we move to the next exercise? Fill in the blanks. The man destroyed the earth. The earth. The earth, earth. The answer is the earth. Second one, in the earth we get water from rain. In the earth we get water from rain. Rain. In the earth we get water from rain. Third one, in Mars 687 earth days make a year. 687 earth days make a year. Answer is 687. Fourth one, you don't need space shuttle and oxygen cylinder in the earth. You don't need space shuttle and oxygen cylinder in the earth. The answer is space shuttle. SPACE, space shuttle. SUIT, shuttle. Space shuttle and oxygen cylinder. OXYGEN, oxygen cylinder. CYLINDER, oxygen cylinder. Fifth one, fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. The answer is real. Real. Fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. The next exercise, answer the following question. First question, what is the setting of the What is the answer the following question? What is the setting of the story? Life on Mars is the setting of the story. Life on Mars is the setting of the story. See the spelling. What, W-H-A-T, what is, I-S is, the, T-H is the, setting, S-E-T-T-I-N-G, setting, of, O-F of, the, T-H is the, story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. What is the setting of the story? The answer is given. Life on Mars is the setting of the story. Life on Mars is the setting of the story. L-I-F-E, life, on, O-N, on, Mars, M-A-R-S, Mars, is the setting, S-E-T-T-I-N-G, setting, of the story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. Life on Mars is the setting of the story. The next question. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation cup. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation cup. Name the vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-P-L-E-S, vegetables harvested, H-A-R-V-E-S-T-E-D, harvested in the vegetation, V-E-G-E-T-A-T-I-O-N, vegetation cup, H-U-P, cup. The answer is carrots, crabs are harvested in the vegetation cup. In the vegetation cup. See the spelling. Carrots, C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. Crabs, C-R-O-B-S, crabs, are harvested, H-A-R-V-E-S-T-E-D, harvested in the vegetation, V-E-G-E-T-A-T-I-O-N, vegetation cup, H-U-P, cup. Third question. What is the salt? How many hours make a year? What is the salt? How many hours make a year? Salt means a meridian day is a salt. A meridian day is a salt. Meridian. Yeah, meridian day. Yeah, meridian. M-A-R-T-I-A-N. Meridian day is a salt. A meridian day is a salt. 24 hours and 37 minutes make a salt. A meridian day is a salt. 24 hours and 37 minutes make a salt. 24 hours, 24 hours, H-O-U-R-S, hours, and A-N-D, and 37 minutes, M-I-N-U-T-E-S, minutes, make a salt, M-A-K-E, make a salt, S-O-L, salt. How water is produced in Mars? Next question. How water is produced in Mars? Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Burning fuels. Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water is produced, P-R-O-T-U-C-E-D, produced in Mars, M-A-R-S, Mars, by burning, B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning fuels, F-U-E-L-S, fuels. Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Fifth question. In this story, what happened to the earth? In this story, what happened to the earth? The earth was polluted and destroyed by the man. The earth was polluted and destroyed by the man. The earth, earth was polluted, P-O-L-L-U-T-E-D, polluted and destroyed, D-E-S-T-R-O-Y-E-D, destroyed by the man, P-Y, by the man, M-A-N, man. The next question, sixth, the last question. What should be done to save the earth? What should be done to save the earth? What should be done to save the earth? The answer is we should stop using lots of chemical fertilizers. Lot of chemical fertilizers. We should. we should stop, stop, stop using, using lots, lots, lots of chemical fertilizer, chemical, 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 see the spelling, chemical, chemical fertilizers, fertilizers, fertilizer, chemical fertilizer. Then what should be done to save the earth? We should stop using lots of chemical fertilizers. The next page, let us build. Page number 83. Hi friends, let us do some magic with words. When we combine these two words, we will get a new word. We will get a new word with the different meanings. Sun plus flower, sunflower. These words are called compound words. Light plus house, lighthouse. Light plus house, lighthouse. Mail plus box, mailbox. Mail plus box, mailbox. Already write it. The next exercise, write compound words using the pictures. Write compound words using the picture. First picture, watch. Second picture, man. The answer is watchman. See the spelling, WATCHMAN, watchman. WATCH, watchman, MAN, man, watchman. The second picture, see, rainbow. The answer is rainbow. RAINPOW, rainbow. RAINBOW, rainbow. Third picture, starfish. STARFISH, starfish. The answer is starfish. Starfish. Fourth one, football. FOOTBALL, football. Turn the next page. Use the clues to complete the compound words. First one, newspaper. News plus paper, newspaper. News plus paper, newspaper. NEWSPAPER, newspaper. Second one, wheel plus chair, wheelchair. Wheel plus chair, wheelchair. The answer is wheelchair. See the spelling, WHEEL, wheel, chair. CHAIR, chair. The third one, strike out the 4 and put the number 3. Already you know the fourth one, but not the 4. Strike out the 3. Strike out the 3 and put the number 3. Basket plus ball. Basket plus ball. The answer is basketball. BASKET, basket. Ball. BALL, ball. Basketball. Shall I move to the next exercise? Match the compound words. First one, handbag. First one, handbag. HAND, hand. Bag. BAG, bag. Handbag. Second one, earring. EARRING, earring. EARRING, earring. Third one, dragonfly. Third one, dragonfly. Dragonfly. DRAGON, dragonfly. FLY, dragonfly. Fourth one, jellyfish. JELLY, jellyfish. FISH, fish. Jellyfish. The next exercise, draw and write your own compound words. Draw and write the own compound words. I make the draw, sun and flower. The new word, sunflower. SUN, sunflower. FLOWER, sunflower. Write your own compound words. I make a draw, sunflower. Okay, the next exercise, Connect the compound words and create a new words. Connect the compound words and create a new words. Cup, ball, board. Cup, ball, board. Create new word cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Second one, cow, door, buy. Cow, door, buy. The connect the new word cowboy. C-O-W cow, buy. B-O-Y, buy. Cowboy. Third one, moonlight pepper. Moonlight pepper. The new word moonlight. M-O-O-N, moon, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Moonlight. The fourth one, rain, chair, coat. Rain, chair, coat. The answer is raincoat. The new word raincoat. R-A-I-N, rain, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. The yet dislocated poem. The book exercise has to finish. Thank you, students.